Lahat tayo anak ng Diyos. I am a son of God too. But the heavens will not just pick anybody there. You would know na anak ng Diyos by His words, by His deeds, and by His proclamation. At yung sinasabi mo, lumabas mo sa bunganga, ayun na, nakikita ko na nga. And I am not only dazzled even by the colors of this room. I'm totally, hindi ko ba kung bakit, except if I cannot explain it in any manner, there's only one explanation. It's God giving you the gift, and really, you are the Son of God again. Totoo yan. Hindi ako nagbubula, Pastor. Alam mo yan, I am a very sarcastic person. And hindi rin ako basta mag-believe lang yung mga ganon-ganon. But hindi ako nagkamali. Binigyan kita ng respeto. I gave you friendship. I offered it to you. You accepted it. Now we are friends. At ang relasyon natin, hanggang dyan lang. We do not even think about God. Because alam mo na deep within you, you know na talagang anak rin ako ng Diyos. Pero medyo hindi lang na-recognize.